Before I start this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and also press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be testing out a new product, and I'm really excited because I have had this product for such a long time and I still haven't touched it. And today is the day I am going to be trying it out. I'm going to be testing it out. And also, excuse my eyebrows. My eyebrows look like this because I was playing with an eyebrow product, which I will link up here. If you want to see that video, just click this I button up here, or I will have the link of that video down on my description box if you want to know why my eyebrows looks like this. So the product that I'm going to be trying out today is the MUA Makeup Academy Pro / Base Makeup Remover Stick. Pretty much I bought this because it's pink. I have never ever tried a makeup remover stick because I stick with my oil-based makeup remover. I found this at Superdrug. I can't remember how much it is. Y'all can look up on the internet how much this is, or go to Superdrug or somewhere that has MUA Makeup Academy stuff. So what it does is it is a dissolving makeup remover. This fab balm gently dissolves all makeup, including waterproof formulas. Oh, very ambitious. Leaving skin feeling clean and fresh. For best results, apply on damp skin and work into the skin. Remove with a clean damp cloth. I have to wet my face. I'm too lazy to even stand up and damp my freaking face. Like, this is just giving me too much responsibility. Why does everything have to take up too much energy? Ooh, it looks like a deodorant, a roller deodorant. Just gonna check this out. Look at that. I just opened this and it's already ruined. Ew. So I have to damp my face. I'm gonna be back. The reason as to why I got this is because I thought I don't have to wet my face while applying this. Let's work it. I'm gonna start with my cheeks. Ooh, it does melt. Ew. Oh, look at that. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Oh, maybe. Am I supposed to like get product first and then work it on my skin? Or what? Ow. Oh, it stings. Right, so this is really messy. It's literally all over my hairline. And look at the amount of product I've already used up after all that. I have to wash this afterwards because that could like gather up some bacteria. That's just the most inconvenient part about it. And plus I have to wash this face with a damp cloth, which I don't like doing. I tried washing my hands with water and soap and it took me a while to clean it up because I just realized that this product feels like dried oil. I'm trying to remove this with a towel. That's probably why they want you to clean your face with a towel, because washing it with water doesn't work. Like, it takes so much time and it takes a while for it to get removed. But on the other hand, it's such a great product if you want to go traveling because, you know, it's not liquid. And if you want to avoid more liquid, you can bring that one. You just have to make sure that you have a towel to actually remove the product. Oh. If you're gonna ask me if I like it or not, I'm like, to be honest, I prefer my oil-based cleanser. So that's my makeup all removed. My face is kind of clean. Yeah, even my waterproof mascara is all off. It really does remove waterproof formulas, but on the other hand, it's a good product. You know, if you like it, then you like it. If you don't like it, you don't. And there's people like me who probably would have to use it because I bought it. The thing I don't like about it is I can't wash it with water immediately. It's hard to remove with water. Look at that. I have makeup all over. Not very hygienic. It doesn't smell like anything either, so which is good. There we go. That's the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't subscribed, and also press that bell button again so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video if you want to. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.